Rogers TV getting stuck on the welcome screen is a common problem that prevents access to channels and menus. This usually happens because of connectivity issues, software glitches, or activation errors. The first thing to try is a simple reboot. Unplug your Rogers TV box and your router for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. If rebooting doesn't work, the next step is to ensure your Rogers account is active and linked to your device. You can check your account status on the Rogers website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection of at least 25 megabits as required by Rogers. These initial steps address the most frequent causes and quickly restore service. If the problem continues after rebooting and checking your account, there are a few more things to try. For app-related issues on smart TVs or mobile devices, force close the app and reopen it. If that doesn't work, a factory reset via the Rogers app settings might be necessary, but remember, this will erase your settings. Rogers is working on software-based solutions and AI-driven diagnostics to reduce these issues. They are integrating machine learning into their support app to predict and automatically fix welcome screen problems. By 2026, Rogers plans to transition to cloud-based TV services, which should further reduce these problems. In the meantime, keep your router updated and consider using voice-activated refreshes through Google Home or Alexa for quicker troubleshooting.